This is TECNO Spark Go 2024, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So first you will need to find and launch the phone manager, it is called phone manager. Then go into the antivirus section and perform the antivirus scan. Then what you might also want to do is to launch the Google Play Store, then tap at your profile picture, open the Play Protect page and scan your phone for harmful apps. From here, you can also resort to some third-party antivirus solution such as Avast app, for example, or if you know any other non-system antiviruses, you can go with them instead. And well, just get yourself the antivirus app and use it to perform an antivirus check. And if it will find anything, it will also help you to resolve those issues and vulnerabilities. Then, I recommend that you also launch the settings on your phone, then open the list of device administrator or device admin apps. Here they are. And see if any sketchy application in particular, has this permission and you do not recall providing it with such permission. So what you want to do is to deactivate it and uninstall the app in question right away. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.